Alright, so this one here, it says the rate of change of the depth. So it's the one that's changing. Is proportional, such a proportionality sign, to the square of the depth over time. So replace your proportionality sign with equals k d squared. So that's part one. Initially, so t is naught, the depth is 2. So call that, oh, I forgot to separate out my variables here. So bring your d squared over as a division, and that's k dt. It doesn't matter if the integral sign goes before or after. Just make sure you bring this up as a minus 2 before you differentiate. The t reappears. So add 1 to the power, divide by it. Tidying it up, sign 1 over 1 and d to the minus 1. Now putting in your values, so t equals naught, d equals 2. So equation 1 becomes minus 1 over 2 equals c. So equation 1 minus 1 over d equals kt minus a half. Let's have a look here. After 5 minutes, the depth has been reduced to 1.5. So just subbing that in, call this equation 2. So it's minus 1 over 1.5 is 3 over 2 equals 5k minus a half. So that's minus 2/3. Bring this over, it becomes an adding. So just adding these up. Minus 4/6 add 3/6 is k. So it's minus 1/6. Bring your 5 over. So minus 1/6 divided by 5 is minus 1/30. So equation 2 becomes minus 1 over d equals k t minus 1 over 2. I'm going to change all my signs here so they're all positives. You can do that as long as you do it to every single sign. And it wants the depth to be 0.8. So 0.8 is 4/5. 1 over a fraction is the same as turning it upside down. Equals 1 over 30t plus a half. So bring that half across. Equals 1 over 30t. So 5 over 4, take away 2 over 4 is 3 over 4 equals 130t. Bring your 30 up. 90 over 4 equals t. So 90 divided by 4. 90 divided by 2 is 45. Divided by another 2 is 22.5 minutes.